and so much that Suresh Venkat, who drew me into the radio space, before which I had a short, I mean, basically when I was a guest at Radio City, somebody felt my voice was radiogenic and asked me to try at Akashvani. So the next few months, Akashvanili, I did a show on FM Rainbow, Nura 1.3. And it was a Western music show called, so I gave it a name, Wednesday Wineback Anta. And of course, Akashvani archives are priceless, from John Denver to MS Subbulakshmi 1946 concert in the Hidu. I used to go at least 2-3 hours before my show. Luckily, I wasn't doing anything else at that time. And then learnt a lot about broadcasting. And then again, I got a call from Radio City, but this time it was from Suresh Venkat saying that, would you take over the breakfast show? Meet Mardaga. So it came as a shock to me because I was just used to doing 1 hour slot after the
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
thing.
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶೋ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಕಿರಣ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್, good friend, and so he had moved from Akashvani to Radio City. ಅವನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇದು ವಾಸಂತಿ, ಸುರೇಶ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಅಂತ he came and told me at the studio. And I really thought, okay, what is it for? Because I could see that people around me, and remember, I already had 7-8 years of media Indian Express experience. So I was not a just out of college person. I was married, I had my child. So my priorities in life were not exactly to, at that point of time, to apply to this new radio station, because it was not on my radar. So when this call came, and Suresh called me to the studio of Radio City on Residency Road, and I thought, okay, they know ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ, because I used to be very good at imitating people, impressions, and something.
What was your go-to artist or person to imitate?
Yeah, as long as you don't ask me to do that now. Jayalalitha at that point, So
Now we are curious. We are curious. Please. Now that she's not there, of course, salute to that strong
So
woman.
I know, right? She's such a, my God, role model in her own way. But I'm saying that Akashvani audition alli ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, I remember saying that if Jayalalitha was stuck in Bangalore's traffic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. Just like that, on the spot, something. And they all were laughing. They just loved it. And of course, I got the job at the thing.
Not giving us. Come on, Vasanti.
No, but
This
you
is
see,
for the internet world, yeah?
Yeah.
They
no,
should see this.
I know. So the thing is, when it comes back to me, probably I will. Because, see, Jayalalitha moved on from that phase of my next few years. So the way she used to carry herself. And, right from the body language to that, that kind of bearing. So it was not so much the matugalu, but it was the entire thing of how she would respond to a traffic jam and hage. But you see, when I went to radio, I thought it must be for something like this. I didn't realize that I'm going to get asked to handle a 4-hour primetime live every morning, good morning show.
That was show ಹೆಸರೇನಿತ್ತು?
Good Morning Bangalore.
Good Morning Bangalore.
Good Morning Bangalore. So, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ that was a surprise. So, it again, you didn't ask for it. It came your way. And I thought, I am going to give it my all. Like,
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ?
see,
How did you crack?
ಒಂದು, the show studio at Radio City was facing the flyover of Residency Road. It was a swivel chair, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಕಿಟಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. You just had to swivel and hard ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I used to just watch the city go by. Every day this was like a, there's a constant ತನ್ಹಾಯಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that Amir Khan Dil Chahta Hai movie. It's just, and it's all quiet for you. You're in this air-conditioned space. None of the voice or the noise is reaching your ears. And the moment then I just look back, okay, 30 second ಇದೆ ಹಾಡು ಮುಗಿಯೋಕೆ, and for me to come on air, okay, this was Rahman in Rang De Basanti, and now, and I say what I have to say to the city. I would make these pointers for myself, saying that ಇವತ್ತೂರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು and that was a time when you weren't yet given a producer, because radio itself was so new. People were figuring out everything by themselves, which was good in a way, because when things started coming as your support, to strengthen your show, you're getting special resources, then you realize that okay, idella agok munche you have been Atmanirbhar Bharat of your own. So
I think that's good always.
it is.
Because you are so strong then. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, and being totally clueless, what the hell is these, all these console and this sound forge and this software and yen muttidre, whether I'll shut the radio station up, and ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5:45ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ 7 o'clock ಶೋಗೆ.
ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೊಬ್ಳೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಯದ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಚೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು play the music, come out and do this, and slowly the office will start coming
Filling
to
up.
life somewhere around 9:30, 3 hours after you've almost been there. All my colleagues at that point of time, Darius, Sindhu, Fiona, so all of whom had a life and persona of their own. ಪ್ರಪಂಚನೇ ಬೇರೆ.
ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೊನಾಪಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಸಿಟಿನೇ? ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ವರ್ ದ ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಫೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫೇಸ್?
I can speak for myself that one of the times my sister who used to work with Wipro, ಆಗಿನೂ ಸರ್ಜಾಪುರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೋರಮಂಗ್ಲ ಮಡಿವಾಳದಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. And her friends, who were also my friends for many years, they were so thrilled that they knew RJ Vasanti when the rest of their colleagues in that big IT campus, that show would come live on their buses. Our ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಿಕಪ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸಂಜಯ್ ನಗರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಂದಿರಾನಗರ, somewhere. And because day after day somebody is listening, and then they would say, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, RJ ಅಂತ ಇದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ PVR ಕೋರಮಂಗ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್,
ದ ಆರಾ, ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ದೀಪಾ ಅಂತ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್, ನಿನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ವಿ ಡ್ರೋವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫೇಸಸ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಅಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಶಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಮೀ, ಬಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಂಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ಅಚ್ಚಾ ಸಿಂಧು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ, Darius looks a certain way, or Vasanti is like this. And when we entered PVR to inaugurate the, I think the multiplex, they were actually bouncers hired for us. And I'm like, no, this can't be. I mean, you're laughing from within. I mean, you're just looking back. I think it must be for someone else. This can't be for me. Like, somebody's, because they are, you are making their morning, as they say. And radio, as you know, Rashmi, so habit forming. So you are a part of their life. So you don't know who they are, but they, of course, are so curious to know the person behind that voice.
And they know you so well. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಗ್ತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪದಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನೀವು ಏನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ,
that's a private laugh. I'll tell you. I think we should break this to the audience.
Go ahead.
Wake up to fresh ideas. Repose.
A lot of them thought we are the ones who are playing the songs, but there is a radio software.
Easily.
ಅದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರೇ ಅಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕನ್ನ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಯಾವುದು. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ರವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋ ಹಾಡನ್ನು ಎಳೆದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ವಸಂತಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಒನ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ at 9 o'clock, Rashmi will come at 11, and then she'll also play the same song. It will be a tape recorder, not a radio.
So that secret is out.
We don't generally play songs unless it is a request show, and only some lines are freedom is given.
So the power you think we have, we don't, basically. So our music managers ante idella. So I guess how we are responding to that success, when you get a near taste of what people perceive you to be. ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ವೆನ್ ಗುರು ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಶೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೋಸರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಕಿರಣ್, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ತರಕಾರಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದೆ. ವಸಂತಿ ಹರಿಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತರಕಾರಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾರಾ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಅವರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತರಕಾರಿನಾಗ ವಾಂಗಿಬಾತ್ ಮಾಡೋಳು ಅವಳೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್, wow, we all have a certain notion of the public personalities, which is of course sometimes so far removed, sometimes maybe true, that probably there is a, even Sridevi for that matter, in an interview she said that when I go and buy, I think she spoke about fish in Mumbai market, and then people are like, aap khud aa gayi lene ke liye. At that moment she is a grihini who is trying to make that thing happen for her family. But yeah, that
The
that
labels
larger
and
than
the,
life.
the frames that
Yeah.
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ್ಸಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ
Yeah.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ವೇ,
Yeah.
ಬಟ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್?
I am looking at myself as this uh, mother, journalist, working professional from a certain milieu who, of course, educated middle class. Even to my son, Anirudh, ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅವನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಅಮ್ಮ, the teacher said, because I'd, that award had come, and I
What
got
award
sent
was
to,
it?
this was the India Radio Excellence Award. And ಆ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ you were chosen as India's English RJ of the year. So that lady who was his class teacher, ಅದು ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಕ್ಕನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅದು. So I believe she showed the thing to the entire class, and she said that this is Anirudh's mother, Vasanti, and so this thing. So everybody, all the kids must have cutely clapped and things like that. So he came back and said, today ma'am said that she showed your picture in the class. So ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. So then I was like, I told him, I said, great, it's very nice of Geeta ma'am to show this. Adre ondu, she also must be a great teacher. Who knows, she must be Bangalore's best teacher, Anirudh. But your mother is in a job where everybody is listening to her. So therefore, it's not as if your mother is the only whatever person. It could be anybody doing their job well, but some people, because of the way their job is, will get ಗ್ಲೋರಿಫೈಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಿ ವಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ರೇಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅವನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಟು, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡೆಡ್. That this is fame which is of course attached to the good work that you have done. I have earned it. I am not trying to run away from this. I own that. At the same time, it cannot make you a different person, because there is a danger of becoming a different person. You just, people at that time, for RJs, literally thought of them as some sort of a demigods. Because of this also, the mystery. You didn't have to make an appearance. You could,
ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ,
ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. they, and ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಡಿಡ್ದು, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಆ FM ವಸಂತಿನಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ that is your certificate, because in ಧ್ವನಿಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು, you cannot allow that to get to your head.
How
I
did
think
you do
that
it?
is.
It is fame.
ಅದು ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ದ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನೇರಿಯನ್ ಮದರ್ ಎಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ who will make sure that everybody is so I think it's also good that when people used to come home and say, ಅಥವಾ functions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಆದಾಗ, somebody will come and actually think that this is Vasanti's mother, ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ acquainted with why this shusha is happening about ಇದು ಅಂತ, but she kept it kind of real. There's no gloating over that. It's a thing which is at home, which is there. Of course, you have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy it, but not let
Flaunt
it
it.
change you. I think that's yeah.
When people get success ಅಥವಾ ಫೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, yes, that can change them, ಅಥವಾ you can flaunt it, you can use it as a power which probably can cut all your bridges. But how did I mean, ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಯು ಅಂತಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ನ್ಯೂ that will change any man alva.
Yeah.
Power
See, that
agility,
self-awareness, because you are really interacting with the who's who. You are in a position of power where you can influence somebody's thinking, minds. And what you say and sometimes it's like, you would have just said that and it's gone on live radio, but somebody has taken it so seriously. And so you therefore that puts that jawabdari inside you automatically.
time?
Yeah. Andre, it does, it should, that doesn't mean to say that you are so burdened by it that you don't enjoy the ಇದು ಜಾಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಜವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. Therefore, I think to answer you, because you are also making me think deeper, it is so essential for us to be given our value system as maklu. And that is where it really comes, that you cannot make somebody wait. You cannot make somebody, or if somebody has made the effort to come and see you from God knows which uru. Obru bella tarta idru, Rashmi. I remember ಮಂಡ್ಯದಿಂದ ಆಚೆ he was a farmer, ರೈತರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಅದು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾರಾಂತ್ಯ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂತ ನಾನೊಂದು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಐ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಬಾಸಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಮೀ ದಟ್, ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಇದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಶೋ ಬಂತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಷಸ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಇಡೀ ವಾರ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಹೈ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಶೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶನಿವಾರ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನೀರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ, ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೋರ್ whatever innate culture. You're speaking to Pratibha ಅವರು in ಬಸವನಗುಡಿ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಕೂರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. There's a whole shift of, as if I'm talking to a different ಊರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ IT appraisal, mothers dropping off kids at creche and ಇದು going off to work, and some people, visitors into town. Like Sonu Nigam is in there, he's coming onto your show, you're interviewing him. So it's a whole different frequency you're in.
Energy.
And ಇದು ಶನಿವಾರ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈಗ ಈ ಶೋಗೆ ನಾವು ರಮೇಶ್ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೆಸೋಣ, ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಣಯ್ ರಾಜ ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್. ದೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಅಥವಾ ಊರಿನವರು who have some asadharana streak in them, which is what I was more interested in. It's not only the celebrities. So
unsung heroes.
Absolutely.
ಎಲೆ ಮರೆ ಕಾಯಿಗಳು.
Kandita. So that I feel was a joy of the whole space, that you are acquainted with ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಚಯನೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, that you don't that the city may not know about.